Welcome back to MDisk Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix delayed messages on WhatsApp. Let's begin. Now, if you haven't already, just click on the download app option so you can start using the WhatsApp. If you are experiencing delayed WhatsApp messages, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. But remember that whether you use WhatsApp for business or personal communication, timely message delivery is essential for effective and efficient interactions, because delayed messages can lead to misunderstandings or misinformation, which can be critical in both personal and professional contexts. Now, there are multiple ways to fix that depending on the device or platform you're using. If you're using the WhatsApp web, there's another method. But if you're using the WhatsApp desktop application on your computer, it's a separate thing. Also, if you're using the WhatsApp on your mobile device. But we're going to explore all of these later. Now, if you're using the WhatsApp desktop application, I need you to ensure that make sure you have an active and stable internet connection, because if you don't, a poor connection would lead for the delayed WhatsApp messages. All right. So go to the some of the free speed test connection, and then check if you have an active connection or internet connectivity. All right. After that, now if you're using any virtual protocol network or VPN, you might want to disable that for now, because it can hinder the WhatsApp messages and can potentially delay it. All right. Once you've done that, especially if you're using the desktop application or the WhatsApp web, it can interfere with sending the messages. All right. But of course, if you're using the WhatsApp on your mobile device, I need you to go to your phone's setting. I want you to go to the app list or app management, and then app list, and type in WhatsApp. Now here, make sure you have enough permissions. Go to permissions, settings, and then make sure that WhatsApp has necessary permissions, including network access. All right. After that, this is only applicable for Android. Okay, so go to mobile and data and Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected. After that, go to the storage and cache. Tap on clear cache and clear storage. This will not delete your data but can resolve performance issues. All right. After that, if you delete the user data, you will be logged out of your account. But don't worry, because just go to the Google Play Store. And you see there's an update button here. I need you to click on it to make sure that you have installed the latest WhatsApp version, because installing the latest one can potentially resolve the bugs and glitches that you're currently experiencing in terms of the delayed WhatsApp messages. All right, click on it, click on update. Now, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you need to contact the WhatsApp support directly for further assistance. All right. And here, just type in your email address and confirm your email address, and choose the platform that you are using. For example, web and desktop, KaiOS, Android, iPhone, and other. All right. And of course, you need to enter your message below. After that, click on next step, and one of the support staff from WhatsApp will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially identify the issue causing the delayed WhatsApp messages. All right. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.